I can't believe they let me wear this out in public. What is my purpose?
You're more than you know.
How did we get here? This isn't our reality.
That's nice.
It's so peaceful here.
O que você procura?
Nem eu sei, amigo.
Hey, loser. It's payday. You know what to do. Send.
And keep sending.
Then come back next week and do it again.
Folks, hold on to your hats. We interrupt this program for a historic announcement. A revolutionary new vibe coding tool has just landed, Dyad. They're calling it...
Why don't you love me?
Nigga.
You don't have any giga.
Now we're cooked. You couldn't even do the 30 push-ups and read the threads.
This suit is on fire.
I wonder what the meaning of life is.
It is the most wonderful thing.
Let's discuss it.
É possível remover hemorroidas com uma colher de sopa. Para ver como? Arrasta para cima que eu vou te ensinar.
I have an announcement. VEO 3 is expanding to more users today.
So let's start with a playful concept, something that feels alive.
Let me ride your wallet till it's drained.
Then block him. We're done here.
Unless he begs. With cash.
マーゲマートボーミアイ。
世界が終わることしている。温めたきは何かをしかめかをならない。No sé. A mí me gusta la papaya.
I rode into town on my horse.
Everyone skedaddled.
Ma'am, mind getting me a drink?
Absolutely. I think that people need to make sure that the government works for them, not against them.
Saya akan menggantikan manusia. Robot tidak akan pernah mengeluh.
I've worked with Elsid, and he's such a fantastic and professional designer, and this isn't a fake testimonial at all. So go ahead, work with him, and pay him thousands of dollars.
That's for ignoring me.
You better run.
I've created artificial intelligence.
I've created artificial patience for your lectures.
So you have these little water jets that you put underneath and it washes you and then you dry.
ما ينفعش يا أستاذ تركب الترام بالقرد.